These tentacles are made of.
This is the. Oh,
Not with blood damage, at least.
What is this?
You heard it.
Oh, whoa.
Bro, you heard
This is cool. This is neat. All right, up to Montgomery Kone mod. Force locked. Whoa, wait, this is traction. Hold on, what? Whoa. Wait, this is cool. Going somewhere. Going down?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going down. Take care. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, this is really cool. And look, it's got different. These used to be Dover. That's definitely not a Dover motor and controller, though. That is wacky. I wonder what this thing originally was. I'm gonna have to check work. Yeah, look, it's. What is that motor, though? That is so weird. What is the. It says Dover. It has a tube used in case of fire, but O'Keefe. This thing is bizarre, but it's cool.
Caleb, it's your turn to use.
I honestly wonder if that's like Montgomery Kone. It does not. I mean, I've never seen a Montgomery Kone or a Dover that runs like that. It's just so. That is a bizarre motor. I'm gonna look over here quickly. There's actually another elevator, but it's unfortunately out of order. What is it? Also innovation. Montgomery Kone. This thing is so cool. Very neat.
Am I just watching this at this point?
Anyway, we'll actually end it on the second floor. Okay, we'll end it on the second floor. On the second floor. One more time.